It looks like it's birds and nothing but. But that's from a distance. Let me zoom in it. It looks a lot like birds from where I'm at. It's all birds. I'm somewhere between Cranberry, New Jersey and Princeton, and I don't know why they're here. I don't know what that is. As far as the eye can see, I mean, what is this? Wow. I think I'll walk a little closer and see if any of them show an interest in me, because if they do, I'm going back to my car. I'm walking in a kind of a muddy farmer's field. Whoa! Whoa! Holy! Unbelievable. Look at it. They completely cleared out. Holy smokes. This is a very strange phenomenon. Well, I think I'll walk toward the car and see if they decide to return. That is very, very strange. They're hanging. Some are landing. But there's still a bunch over by that house that I don't remember them taking off. But why this field? Why this field, and why in this particular place? Very strange indeed. Well, they're coming back down, but they're further down the field than I'm at. Well, that was most interesting.